So obviously now that we're finished planting, you're going to water in the trees themselves. So usually it's about 10 gallons per caliper inch. So you would put about 20 gallons of water on each tree about 2 or 3 times a week. It really depends on the weather. If it's really extremely dry, then you may need to water more frequently. And obviously, if you have an irrigation system, you're likely watering with drip tube. And so the timing is going to vary on that, but you're still delivering a significant amount of water over that time period. I always like to use a breaker, which is this part on the end that allows the water to come out sort of more like it would if it was raining. It allows it to spread out further and really soak down. So obviously, if you see a lot of settling, you may need to add a little bit more water. You may need to add a little bit more soil to the hole at some point in time. So essentially, we would water here probably for about a good 5 minutes to really get the water down to the base of the root ball of the plant and into the surrounding soil. And you can see I'm really just watering inside the watering berm itself, kind of trying to spread it out over that whole system. One last thing I really want to talk about is making sure that you really pay attention to how the tree behaves, especially in dry periods and when it's extremely hot. You may need to come back and water much more frequently than you think. It may be actually even every day. It really depends on the weather. So just keep that in mind when you're out there doing watering.